Today we discuss some more problems in reflexive, symmetric, transitive and antisymmetric relations. Okay. Consider a set A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4 and a relation R1 equals set ordered pair 1, 1, ordered pair 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4. First we check R1 is it a reflexive relation. By the definition of a reflexive relation, a relation is said to be reflexive if every element in A related to itself. Here A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4 and in this relation R1, 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3 and 4 related to 4. Therefore, the relation R1 is reflexive. Okay. It's a reflexive relation. Is it a symmetric relation? By definition of symmetric relation, if A related to B, then B related to A. That is, if the ordered pair AB exists in the relation R1, then BA also in this relation, then that relation is said to be symmetric. Here, 1, 2 belongs to the relation R1, then 2, 1 also in this relation. Similarly, 3, 4 in this relation, 4, 3 is also in this relation. Therefore, the relation is also symmetric. Okay, a relation is symmetric. This relation is symmetric. Okay, but it is not anti-symmetric. By the definition of anti-symmetric, A related to B and B related to A only when A is equal to B. Here 1, 2, 2, 1 are related but 1 and 2 are not equal. Therefore, this relation is not anti-symmetric. Okay, this relation is symmetric but not anti-symmetric. Then transitive. Is this relation transitive? 1, 1, 1, 2. Again 1, 2 is in the relation. Similarly 1, 2, 2, 1. Again 1, 1 in the relation. 2, 1, 1, 2. Again 2, 2 in the relation. So in this relation R1, if A related to B in the relation and B related to C, then definitely A in the relation A related to C in the relation. Okay, so this relation is also transitive. Relation is transitive also. Next, consider another relation R2. Is it a reflexive relation? No, it is not reflexive because 4 is not related to 4 in this relation. Therefore, not reflexive. Is it irreflexive? No, it is not irreflexive. So, this relation is not reflexive. Not reflexive since 4 not an element in R. Is it symmetric? Yes, it is symmetric. It is symmetric, also anti-symmetric. This relation is symmetric, also anti-symmetric. Symmetric means A related to B, then B related to A. 1 related to 1, then 1 related to 1. So, it is symmetric. Anti-symmetric? It is anti-symmetric since A related to B and B related to A implies A is equal to B. Here that occur. Therefore, this relation is anti-symmetric also. So, this relation is symmetric, and also anti-symmetric. Okay. Is it transitive? Definitely it is transitive. One related, by the definition of transitivity, A related to B and B related to A exist. Here such a B related to A is not exist. So we couldn't check A related to C exist or not. So this relation is also transitive. This relation is transitive. Okay. This relation is transitive. This relation is transitive. Next we consider another problem. Let A is equal to Z. A is equal to Z. Set of all positive integers. Set of all positive integers. If and under A related to B, A related to B, if and only if, A related to B, if and only if, A less than or equal to B plus 1. Now we check the reflexivity. Is it reflexive for an integer? Here A less than or equal to B plus 1. Is it reflexive? 1 less than or equal to 1, but not 1 plus 1. Not 1 plus 1. So the relation is not reflexive since no integer is related to itself by this relation. Therefore the relation is not reflexive. Okay, is it symmetric? We have to check the symmetricity. 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 3 belongs to the relation because 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 1. So 1, 3 belongs to the relation. But 3, 1 is not belong to the relation because 3 is not less than or equal to 1 plus 1. So this relation is not symmetric. This relation is not symmetric. This relation is not symmetric. Is it transitive? By some examples, we check the transitivity. Consider minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2 is less than or equal to minus 3 plus 1. So minus 2, minus 3 belongs to the relation R. Also, minus 3, minus 4 belongs to the relation R since minus 3 less than or equal to minus 4 plus 1. But minus 2, minus 4 is not belong to the relation because minus 2 not less than or equal to minus 4 plus 1. So, this relation is not transitive. This relation is not transitive. Okay. Consider another problem. Check the reflexivity, symmetricity, anti-symmetric and transitivity in the following problem. A is equal to set of positive integers and A related to B if and only if A less than or equal to B plus 1. A less than or equal to B plus 1. Here set of positive integers. In the previous problem we consider A as set of integers. Here we consider A as set of positive integers. Is it reflexive? No. A is not less than or equal to A plus 1. Therefore, not reflexive. Okay. Is it symmetric? Is it A less than or equal to B plus 1 implies B less than or equal to A plus 1? For example, consider 5 less than or equal to 7 plus 1. That is 5 and 7 are related. That is 5 and 7 are related. But 7 is not less than or equal to 5 plus 1. So 7, 5 is not related. Not an element in the relation. Therefore not symmetric. This relation is not symmetric. Okay, then check the anti-symmetry. Then we check the anti-symmetry. We know that the ordered pair 7, 6 belongs to the relation because 7 less than or equal to 6 plus 1. So 7, 6 is in the relation. Also 6, 5 is in the relation because 6 less than or equal to 5 plus 1. Equality is also held here. So 6 less than or equal to 5 plus 1. But 7, 5 is not belongs to the relation. Therefore, because 7 not less than or equal to 5 plus 1. So this relation is not transitive. This relation is not transitive. Okay. Consider another problem. Consider the set A is equal to Z and A related to B if and only if A plus B, if and only if A plus B is even. If and only if A plus B is even. State the type of the relation or check the relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, here A, B are related. If A, B are related or ordered pair A, B element in R, when A plus B equal to a multiple of 2. A multiple of 2 or A plus B is an even number. Okay. A plus B is even, that means A plus B is even, that means either A and B even or A and B odd. Okay, A plus B is even means either A and B even or A and B odd. Therefore, every integer related to itself by this relation. Every integer related to itself by this relation. 1 plus 1 equals 2 is an even number. 4 plus 4 equals 8 is an even number. So, every element related to itself by this relation. Therefore, this relation is reflexive. Then we check is there is therefore this relation is reflexive. Then we check is the relation is symmetric. A, B element in R, then BA element in R, then that relation is symmetric. AB element in R, here it implies A plus B is even. A plus B is even means B plus A is even. B plus A is even means BA is in the relation. Therefore, the relation is symmetric. Okay. Now check the transitivity. Now we check the transitivity. AB element in R and BC element in R, relation R. Therefore, A plus B is even. Also, okay, not B, BC element in R, BC element in R. And B plus C is even. Okay. If we add two even numbers, then again we get an even number. So, A plus B plus B plus C is again an even number. That is A plus C plus 2B is an even number. 2B is an even number because it's a multiple of 2. We add A plus C with the 2B. That is, we add an even number with another number, we get an even number. That implies A plus C is also an even number. A plus C is also an even number. That implies ordered pair AC element in the relation. So, we take AB and BC element in R and we get AC element in R. Therefore, this relation is transitive. Okay. Now, we consider another problem. Let A is equal to R, set of all real numbers, and A related to B if and only if A square plus B square equal to 4. If and only if A square plus B square is equal to 4. State whether this relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. If it is reflexive, if we consider or assume it is reflexive, then A related to A, that is A square plus A square is equal to 4 or 2A square is equal to 4 or A square is equal to 2 or A is equal to plus or minus root 2. This means ordered pair AA element in the relation only for A is equal to plus or minus root 2. A is equal to plus or minus root 2. But not hold for all other real numbers. If we consider a number 2 square we consider a number 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 8. So 2 is not belong to the set. So this relation is not reflexive. this relation is not reflexive. Okay, now we consider, is this relation symmetric? If ordered pair AB element in R, that implies A square plus B square is equal to 4. This implies B square plus A square is equal to 4. That implies BA, ordered pair BA is element in R. Therefore, the relation is symmetric. Yes, it is symmetric. This relation is symmetric. Is it transitive? Is this relation transitive? Consider 0, 2, ordered pair 0, 2. 0 square plus 2 square equal to 4. Therefore, this relation belongs to R. Also, 2, 0 belongs to R because 2 square plus 0 square is 4. But AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. But AC not belongs to R. 0, 0 not an element in R. Therefore, this relation is not transitive. This relation is not transitive. Okay.